Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you want to know how can you switch back to a personal account after switching to a professional account on Instagram? You came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you switch back to a personal account very easily and very clearly on Instagram. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, to face no problems in this process, let's go ahead and open your Play Store first, or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, again, to face no problems in this process. After that, you can create a store. Now go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and let's start by opening your profile by tapping here in the bottom right corner right there, guys. Now from here, as you can see, I have a professional account. I even have the professional dashboard and all that. So to switch back to a personal account, tap here in the top right corner on these three lines, and then go ahead and open settings by tapping on settings and privacy at the top right there. And now from here you find a new category if you are on a professional account that will say for professionals. Right under it, tap on creator tools and controls, which is the only option under that category. And here, guys, what you need to do is to tap on switch account type right here. So go ahead and tap on that option. In the bottom, go ahead and tap on switch to a personal account, of course. And then from here, go ahead and confirm your decision by tapping the red button right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will be switched back to a personal account successfully. But be careful, if you want your account to be private, after switching to a professional, it's gonna be public. So once you switch back to personal, go ahead and open account privacy and make sure you switch back to a private account from here as well. And that is how you can go back to a personal account and even keep your account private. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos, guys.